Hey YouTube fam! Welcome back to my channel, coming to you with another video. Smile Direct Club. Yay! So, this is a invisible aligners kind of braces solution. It is far more cheaper than doing actual braces or even Invisalign. So this box, I got a 50% off code, I guess. The website just gave it to me to get 50% off this. So this was regularly $80. You get 4 trays, 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom. You're gonna do 4 impressions total. You get 4 things of putty that you have to mix up. I'm gonna go through this impression kit with you as I do it. So this was only $40. It was expedited shipping, so it showed up like 2 days after I ordered it, which is really cool. This is what the box looked like. Smile Direct Club. And then it says, please do your impressions and send them back by September 27th, 2018. Oh, hey! So, this is what it looks like. It's got a bunch of papers on the top. Oh, I dropped something. They give you like a mouth smiley so you can stretch out your mouth and take all the pictures. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I have clean hands and I will be using the gloves. I did just brush and floss my teeth. It says I will need a towel, so I have some paper towels right here. Let's get started. Okay, so basically they give you 60 seconds to get the mold. So let me see if I can lift this up here for you guys to see. So basically you have to mix these 2 molds together, and this is 2 layers. They have an exact bottom layer. Hi, son. Making a video. Do you want to say hi?
What is?
Do you want to say hi?
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
Making a video.
We're gonna be.
Oh, careful.
What is
Can
that?
it's a ladder. Can mommy make her video?
Mm.
Okay, cool, thanks. So basically you have 60 seconds to get the putty formed together, rolled up, and put in the aligner, and then you have to leave the aligner in for 3.5 minutes. And, my hair's dripping. Just got out of the shower. You have to leave that in there for 3.5 minutes, and then you take it out and just put it in the box, and you do that 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and then send them away. What are you doing? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and, okay, you can't touch what mommy's doing because it has to stay clean. So here is one of my aligners. This goes on crow, but I gotta put putty in it. So I have the top and the bottom tray right here. I'm gonna get out my 2 putties. Let's see if I can focus. That's 1 putty, and you mix it with another putty like that. Gotta make sure I do this right, because I don't want to do it again. My son has eczema, that's why his cheeks are all red. Sorry, I'm like dripping head water everywhere. So, I got those ready. I have a second layer of those.
Mommy.
They give you
Mommy,
your
move.
gloves.
Mommy, move your leg.
I can't, buddy. I'm sitting on the toilet.
Over here.
Why don't you go see what Nanny's doing?
Oh.
They give you this smile mouth thing where you put in your mouth and you have to take pictures. I did do this yesterday. Looks silly, huh? So silly. Oh my god. This is like that game, I don't know, that that mouth thing where he'll try to figure out what you're saying. So anyway, they want you to get a picture of this and your bottom jaw and your top jaw. So anyway.
Okay, my turn.
This won't fit in your mouth, buddy. So anyway, since it's my own saliva, I'm just going to put it back in this bag.
Now what?
And then,
What is it?
oh, no, you can't touch, buddy. Sorry, I'm like dripping everywhere.
Mommy.
Okay, so you're going to have to, let me just pause this and I will be right back. I am back. I had to get my son out of here because I want to keep this very clean and I want to do it right because my teeth are very important to me. So I'm going to get on my gloves. Wish I had a timer. So once I get the putty mixed in, it'll take a minute for the putty to get mixed, or if I do it less, that's great. It starts to harden after you mix them together, so that's why they give you a certain time. After I put my aligners in my mouth, I'm going to cut to the next part of the video where I take them out and show you, because I don't want to have you guys sit here for 3.5 minutes. Plus I need a timer, and that's on my phone. So, got my gloves on. You can probably hear my kid and my mom in my bedroom. Okay, so I'm going to open up this purple putty. Take it out. Ooh, that's kind of weird. There you go. So there's that putty. And remember, I only have like a minute to do this. So here's the gray putty. And then I'm gonna start mixing them together. A little bit of Smile Direct Club ASMR. Gotta mix them up really, really good till they make a almost pastel purple, I guess. Hopefully I haven't taken too long. Okay, so I mixed it. It's all mixed. Now we gotta roll it. And then we place it in the aligner. And then put it in your mouth. Time's up. Okay. Ready? Okay, that's what that looks like. Super cool. Okay, I'm just gonna set that right back here in the box. Okay, so I'll show you my bottom, the way I'm gonna do my bottom. So I'm gonna take the bottom aligner, do the same thing with the putty. Get the gray putty. Okay, so the putty is mixed. Now I'm going to roll it again. Set it in my tray. And then I'm gonna put it in my mouth and wait another 3.5 minutes. Okay, so hi there. I got her through. Alright. Right? Oh. Whew. All right, there's my bottom. Got lots of drool. Okay, now I'm gonna do it to the top and the bottom again off camera, and that'll be it. So I will, once I get my aligners in the mail, I will go over them with you guys. But if you want to do Smile Direct Club, it's a great thing. It's very affordable, especially since you can do the monthly payments. Excuse me. I don't like having to go to the doctor and get doctor bills, and so this was just more easier for me. And more easier. Oh, it's a lot easier. I don't have to make any appointments, have my mom babysit my kid, nothing like that. So it's super simple, gives you the directions. If you just do as they say, you shouldn't have any problems. I'm literally at home doing this. I didn't have to leave the house. They brought it right to my door. And that's that. So I will see you guys in my update video. Bye.